Far away, there lived incredible creatures known as terror birds. These were not your ordinary birds. They were as tall as a grown-up person, with beaks so sharp they could slice through the toughest plants and catch small animals in a flash. Now let me take you on a journey back in time to when these amazing birds roamed the earth. Millions of years ago, in a time called the Cenozoic era, there were no cities or cars. Instead, there were vast forests and grasslands where animals lived freely. It was during this wild and ancient time that the terror birds came into existence. Picture a terror bird, tall, with long legs built for running fast, and a beak that could snap closed like a trap. They were like living dinosaurs, but in bird form. These birds were fantastic hunters. With their sharp eyesight, they could spot their prey from far away. And when it was time to strike, they would sprint with lightning speed, using their powerful beaks to catch their dinner. But alas, like all great tales, the story of the terror birds comes to an end. Around 1.8 million years ago, they disappeared from the Earth. Scientists have different ideas about why this happened. Some say it was because of changes in the climate, while others think new predators might have arrived, changing the balance of nature. Even though the terror birds are gone, we can still imagine their incredible adventures and learn from their story. They remind us of the amazing creatures that once roamed our planet and the importance of taking care of our environment so that all living things can thrive.